So next up, I'm going to show you guys how to put our complete storage system in the bed. It's really easy, 4 bolts and 4 drilled holes. So first thing we're going to do is take these bolts out here, and then up inside the cab. We've got these 2 up at the front. Take those out, and we'll start off with the storage portion of the bag. So this is for dry storage. This fits in here. You'll take these 2 tabs and just simply put your factory screw right back in the same hole. And then we can go ahead and tighten those down. The second thing you're going to do is open the bag up, and inside the bag there's 4 holes that we're going to drill out and put push pins in. So you'll notice on the side of the bag that there's these 4 holes, 2 on either side. What those are for is for these push pins, I can get it through there, to go through, and then that locks it into the bed so that it doesn't fly out. So to do those, just set it in place. Line it up there. You're going to grab a 5/16 drill bit and then just drill through. All 4 of them. Then take your push pins and slide them in. When you're drilling these holes out, you don't really need to worry about anything. There's nothing over on the side of the bed or the inside of the bed that you need to worry about drilling through. So you can always double check to make sure that on your car there's nothing there. And then you're going to push those through and slide them in. All right, so we've got our 4 push pins in, and it is a little bit of a fight because the bag is slightly narrower than the plastics on the bed. So, but the Pro R bed is a little bit wider than the Pro XP. So to make it fit, it just goes in there. So again, drill your holes out. What I would suggest, pull the bag tight, put 1 pin in, and then do the other 3. That way it'll kind of hold itself in place. So you can see now this thing's not going anywhere. So we've got our bed storage bag in, and again we've got those 4 push pins in there. That holds this thing in there nice and tight. Next up is the cooler. So these 2 bags sew together, or excuse me, zip together with this zipper here, and then they also have these handles over here, so you can pull that out. So this will go in here. There's no push pins on this one. It's pretty simple. We'll attach the zipper down here for that side, and then we'll go on the other side. I'll show you how to put those together. All right, so for this we have these straps up here. Undo the straps on both sides, and then you're left with these little buckles. So these buckles are going to go right here in this factory hole. Tighten this down, kind of hold the strap back when you tighten that down. So you'll take your strap here, put your carry strap there, thread these through your buckles. Pull them tight, and you're good to go. Okay, so we've got all of our storage in here. We've got our dry storage for putting tools, sweatshirts, kind of whatever we want in here. And then up here, we've got our cooler, right, for putting some drinks and cold stuff in. So, and again, those unzip here, and then back there, just undo your straps, and this will pull right out. So you can drain it out, clean it out, refill it, whatever you need to do.